This is my meal for today. I still had some leftover buckwheat, quinoa, and chia seeds with sauteed onion, mushrooms, and carrots. In the freezer, I still had a bit of homemade meatloaf. So I cut 2 slices, made some gravy, and that's my meal for today. Had the leftover salad from yesterday. So I added like here broccoli, chopped tomatoes, onion, and homemade dressing. I don't know if you can see it. Bon appetit to me. You are invited. Today's lunch is just simple salad. So what I have here, I have lettuce. I opened a small tin of salmon. I sliced 1 tomatoes. And here what I have feta cheese, roasted cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, roasted in the oven. And I still have less than half a container, so I'm trying to use up. So that's my lunch for today. Lettuce, tomato, and salmon. Today's lunch, mashed potatoes, steamed vegetables, and I still had some pork, so I marinated, had half a pepper and onion. So I marinated and I just fried in the frying pan. So that's my lunch for today. This is my lunch for today. So what I have here, I did saute some Napa cabbage, which I had in the fridge, carrots, onion. I added a little bit of soy sauce, sugar, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. And this was spring rolls, homemade spring rolls I had in the freezer, and I have a couple of them for tomorrow. So that's my lunch for today. This is my breakfast for today. It's boiled eggs and soldiers. It's very popular in UK. And I cheated a little bit by adding some slices of salami. So that's my breakfast for today. This is my breakfast. So what I have here is oat porridge, and I added some chia seeds. I don't know if you can see it. And I had half of a banana. And here what I have a toast, peanut butter, and strawberry jam. I know it looks a bit pink, not like strawberries, but that's homemade jam. So that's my breakfast for this morning. Here is today's lunch. It's quite simple. Tomatoes, cucumber, and florets with homemade dressing. Now what I have here, it's pasta bake with crab sticks. I don't know if you can see, but this red one is a crab stick, so I chopped, put some green peas, and I baked in the oven. I still have one more piece for another day. So that's my today's lunch.